Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Smart Wallet and me, where financial wisdom matters. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 stocks that I believe are small cap stocks that are going to at least double your money in the short term, at least by 2021 or even 2022. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so my first stock that I'm going to be picking today is called XERS Pharmaceuticals. So this company is a specialty company that develops a ready-to-use injectable drug system. This company's lead product is the GEVO HypoPen that allows an immediate injection for severe hypoglycemia, which is a situation where diabetics have whenever their blood sugar drops low. They're able to inject themselves to raise their blood sugar back up, because otherwise they could get into shock and potentially die. Previously, the only product available required mixing chemicals before the injection could be done. The key is that the formulation is non-aqueous and can be used for other drugs as well. Last week, XERS received news that the European Union Committee for Medicinal Products recommends GEVO for the treatment of severe hypoglycemia of people with diabetes mellitus. A final decision will be made in the first quarter of 2021, and the company should launch in Europe in the second half of the year. The company has 3 other drugs in phase 2 studies and 1 in stage 1. The market for these is huge, and XERS has stated that it would be interested in partnerships that will help to cover the expenses of bringing these drugs to market. XERS already has a growing income stream from GEVO. Revenues in the third quarter were 9.5 million versus just 0.3 million in the same quarter last year. The revenue stream will continue to build, but the catalyst here is additional Food and Drug Administration approvals or a partnership for a faster development of its product for larger markets. Okay guys, so if we look at the stock price right now, the previous highs for this stock was about $6.82, and it went all the way down to about $4.44, and then it went up again to around $5.76. It was trying to build some kind of support over here, but it couldn't do it, and then it went back down to about $4, and this is where we have this previous support. So we have been trying to keep this support at $4, and if it has the potential for it to break through this next resistance of $5.76, then the next resistance would be back from where it was before on 9/21, about $6.82. And right now we're trading at $5.07. It is above the 50-day moving average. It has broken that, and you can see here that there's a big red line right here that indicates that there's a lot of push to make this go higher, but the bears have pushed this back down, and we will have to wait and see what it's going to do. But it looks like there's a lot of good momentum for this stock. The RSI right now is at 65, and I'm very confident that this stock will probably go above this range and meet its new resistance level and pass it by sometime first quarter to second quarter of 2021, when the news comes out with the FDA, and if the European Union accepts this drug, and they're already working on other drugs, and if this happens, I think it will be a very good potential for this stock to go higher. TipRanks currently has an analyst target price range of $12.50, and the high is $14, the low is $11, and it has a moderate buy rating currently. So this could easily give you about 150% return on your investment if it goes up to that $12.50 range in the high end. And if it goes to about the low end of about $11, you can easily double your money from where we are currently right now. My next stock is going to be GMDA, which is Gamida Cell. So Gamida Cell is a biotechnology company that is using cell therapy to address blood cancers and serious blood disorders. Preliminary data has been robust, and the company has already indicated that it met 3 secondary endpoints. The company expected to report a full peer-reviewed data set in the first half of 2021. It originally intended to apply for a biological license application on a rolling basis, but the FDA is requesting details about its planned commercial manufacturing sites. Dan Rosenblum, the biotechnology expert at sharkinvesting.com, says, "What is really exciting about GMDA is the update on natural killer cell therapy, GDA-201. In an oral presentation at the recent American Society of Hematology, the 62nd annual meeting, It was shown that GDA 201 was well tolerated and no dose limiting toxicities were observed in the phase 1 clinical study. Basically, the natural killer cell technology produced cures in 3 out of 4 lymphoma patients. The company is a long way from final approval in late 2021, but the innovation of cell therapy is already attracting attention, and there should be updates on progress in the first half of 2021 to drive the stock. GMDA is currently the largest holding in the ARC Israel Innovative Technology ETF at 247,218 shares. And if we take a look at the stock right now, it is trading at around the $9.23. And I drew these lines here to show you this wedge right here, this wedge pattern that we see on the 1-day interval. And if we drop this down to the 4-hour interval, you can see that we are now producing a wedge. And if we break out from here, we can get the resistance of $10.95, or it can break down and go to the support level that we see here at around $6.63. According to TipRanks, they have a analyst target price range of $14.80 with a strong buy rating, and we have 5 analysts offering a 12-month price target for Gamida Cell in the last 3 months, and the average price target is $14.80 with a high forecast of $17 and a low forecast of $12. So guys, there's a good potential for this stock to go higher. We see the support line over here at around $7, and if we hit that mark, that gives us a good support level. But because we see these long green lines, there is very strong demand for this company, and if we get this approval in the first half of 2021, I believe that this stock has much more room to grow, and it could potentially go above this resistance level of $10.95, and we can easily hit $17, $20 very, very easily. My third high growth stock is GEVO. GEVO Inc. operates as a renewable fuels company. It commercializes gasoline, jet fuel, and diesel fuel to achieve zero carbon emissions and reduce greenhouse gas emissions with sustainable alternatives. The company uses low-carbon renewable resource-based carbohydrates as raw materials and is developing renewable electricity and renewable natural gas for use in production processes. And guys, the stock jumped recently, and that was because from this Motley Fuel article, it says that stocks were climbing today after the alternative fuel specialist announced that it had exercised an option to purchase 239 acres of land in South Dakota, capitalizing on an expansion opportunity. And the stock was up 19.7%, and the previous close was 239, and it closed at around 286, and currently we're at 287, and it has crossed and jumped over the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is around 148, and the 200-day moving average is around 107, and you can see these long green lines, which indicates that there's a lot of demand for this stock, for this company. And if we go back all the way to September 2019, we can see that this stock was trading at around 356, which would be the previous highs, and that would be our resistance that we would need to pass. Right now we're at 287, so our support level is approximately at 174, 173, and if we pass the previous highs, I think that this company can easily go above the 353. And my call is that this stock will probably go to around the $5 range. And according to TipRanks, they have an average buy rating of $4.25 based on 2 analysts offering a 12-month price target in the last 3 months. The average price target is $4.25 with a high forecast of $5 and a low forecast of $3.50. So the average right now is at $4.25, and we're at $2.87 right now. So again, you can easily double your money by investing in this company right now. And I think that these are my 3 top picks for right now, and I think that you guys will easily double your money, even triple your money, and it will give you great gains in the short term by 2021, maybe even 2022, if all these things go as planned, and if the FDA approves some of these drugs, and if some of these deals with GEVO go through. I think that this stock will easily go past the $4.25 and go up to $5 from where we are right now. So guys, these are my 3 top picks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like I would appreciate if you guys give me a like right now, and it won't cost you anything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.